Hey there, fellow TikTok shop owners. Ever find yourself drowning in a sea of receipts and invoices, desperately trying to keep your finances in check? Well, fear not, because today we've got the ultimate solution to make your accounting journey as smooth as a perfectly executed TikTok dance. I'm Daniel, and welcome to the Link My Books channel, where we turn financial chaos into accounting magic. So you've set up shop on TikTok, but managing your finances is turning into a bit of a dance disaster. You're not alone. But guess what? We've got the lowdown on the 10 best bookkeeping tools for TikTok shop owners. And spoiler alert, Link My Books is stealing the show. Let's dive into the key takeaways from this blog post. Link My Books, our star of the show, is a cloud-based accounting wizard specifically designed to make your life easier. Imagine automatically sorting sales and expenses from platforms like Amazon, eBay, PayPal, and Shopify into accurate tax categories. Mind blown, right? But wait, there's more. Currency conversion features, seamless integration with giants like Xero and QuickBooks Online, and an interface so user-friendly, even your grandma could navigate it. With Link My Books, say goodbye to tedious manual entries and hello to financial management made fun. Now, let's talk benefits. Picture this: Link My Books effortlessly syncing your TikTok shop, providing automated calculations that save you precious time, accurate currency conversions, and a user-friendly interface that even your pet cat could appreciate. Plus, it plays nice with major e-commerce platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify, bringing all your transactions under one virtual roof. Talk about streamlining. Pros: seamless integration with TikTok Shop, check. Automated calculations, double check. User-friendly interface, triple check. The cons? Well, maybe a tad bit of initial setup for specific integrations, but hey, nothing worth having comes without a tiny bit of effort, right? Now let's talk about the dynamic duo, Xero and QuickBooks. Xero, with its real-time cash flow updates and multi-currency magic, is an essential tool for TikTok shops, and QuickBooks, it's synonymous with flexibility, offering robust expense tracking and insightful reports. The competition is fierce, with contenders like Zoho Books, FreshBooks, Wave Accounting, Sage 50 Cloud, Casho, and NetSuite, each bringing its own set of impressive features to the stage. And to make your decision easier, we've even thrown in a handy comparison chart breaking down the automation, integration, user-friendliness, and unique features of each tool. It's like the Oscars of bookkeeping tools, but without the red carpet. Now you might be wondering, how do you choose the best tool for your TikTok shop? We've got you covered with our detailed guide. From determining factors and assessing tool competency to evaluating long-term benefits, we're your financial fairy godmothers. Ready to simplify your TikTok shop bookkeeping? Well, it's time to meet the star of the show, Link My Books. With its impressive features and seamless integration, it's the perfect partner for your TikTok shop success. Take control of your financial journey today. Sign up for a free trial of Link My Books and turn your TikTok shop into a financial masterpiece. Don't miss out on the magic. Head over to our website and read the full blog post. Your accounting adventure starts now.